Hey, it's Berta J, and you're going to be making with me green beans almondine today. I've gotten to this point, and I'll show you how I got there. Start off with 3 cups of chopped green beans cut in 1-inch pieces. Place those green beans into your steamer and cook them for 5 minutes until they're a bright green. Don't bunch them up. Make sure they're spread out, not on top of one another. Put them in a 375-degree preheated oven. And these will cook for 4 minutes at 375. Don't want to go anywhere. You want to stay here because you don't want these almonds to burn. You just want them to get a little brown and crispy. Okay? The next thing is we take 3 tablespoons of vegetable broth, and you're going to put it in a non-stick pan is what I'm using. You can use a regular cast iron pan, but you let that get hot, bring it to the boil, and then we're going to add 1/3 cup of mushrooms. I use shiitake mushrooms chopped up. You can use any kind of mushrooms you like, and 1/3 cup of shallots. Okay, so now this is boiling. Now 1/3 cup of shallots is just a small shallot that's been cut up. You're going to cook these. You're going to cook these for 5 minutes until your shallots, turn it down to medium, till your shallots are kind of transparent. Now we want to shock the green beans by putting them in an ice bath. Now all an ice bath is water with ice cubes. And this will stop the cooking of your green beans. And what will happen is they'll keep their color. They'll be nice and green. It doesn't look like a difference, but I do see toasted. You see? They're a little browned in different places. The white ones are white. Now that all of the parts of this dish are done, let's put it all together. You're going to drain the green beans from their ice bath. And you can see that the color is still real nice and bright. Shake off some of the water, and then you're going to bring them over to the stove. You're going to take the toasted almonds, sliced almonds, and you're going to put them in with these guys. I've been cooking. And you're just going to turn this down to low. You don't really have to cook this very long once it's in here. Just want to stir them around for a minute or so. You're going to put in your drained green beans, 2 tablespoons, 1/8 cup of lemon juice, 3/8 teaspoon of salt, and 1/8 teaspoon of ground black pepper. That's 18 turns of your black pepper milk. And then you stir everything together and turn it. Make sure you turn it down to low, and everything gets nice and mixed. And you're going to cook this for about 5 minutes because you need to warm up these green beans that have been sitting in an ice bath. But basically, your dish is finished. So I'm back from the stove, and it is all done. I wanted to say that anytime you're doing cooking with me for this recipe, and what you're doing looks like it's done, then stop. It's okay to stop. Like I say 5 minutes, but if it looks like it's done at 4, that's okay. This is it, so I'm gonna put it in a little bowl, and I think you will enjoy these. So I'm gonna taste it. It's crunchy from the green beans, both the green beans and the sliced almonds. You get a backwash of the lemon juice, it's delicious. You will love this. Remember, this is another in the series for the Thanksgiving and Christmas sides. This is another side for you. Until next time, I'll say to you, from my kitchen to you, troopers, bye for now, but don't forget to subscribe, click on the bell so that you get notified every time we upload a new video. Okay? Hey guys. Hey troopers. I was in the middle of doing something in the kitchen. I just wanted to say happy Thanksgiving. Have a great time with your family and friends. And don't forget to cook something that I've shared with you. Enjoy it, and let me know about it, okay? Tag me on Instagram and let me see what you've got, or just send me a note and let me know. Pretty much, that's it. And why my table looks like this is because I just came back from Whole Foods and bought some things, and I have some plantains that I want to air fry. I'll teach you about that too. And that was it. This is the way the kitchen looks when I haven't had it all perfect. And so that was it. So have a great Thanksgiving. Bye for now, troopers. We'll see you next time, okay?